Bro, what?
This is a test of the South Central Michigan Emergency Alert System originating from a local primary station. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, a toxic material release, a widespread loss of power or phone service, or other state or local emergency that affects your safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
The right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates
Bruh,
finding you. It
they
finds
didn't
them for you.
originate.
Its powerful technology identifies